Hi, this is Rich from NT Slots and Stuff, and today we're going to run some more T-Jets. The difference is this car here is a TFX, and I'm going to compare its times against these 4 dash cars. Now, I know that TFX is probably going to for sure run faster, but these are all Gen 3, I believe. Dash, they're stock. There's maybe some tire changes. Camaro, stock tires and wheels. That's just the way it came. Put it together, and that's the way it was. Then I have this black Chevelle, one of my favorite cars. It just looks so good. That also has the stock wheels on it. Whoops. And then we have this GTO. It's missing the bumper in the back. I don't know what happened to it. This has some, I think they're AFX rims on the back, stock tires in the front. The tires are from Viper. And then this has, this is another GTO, stock chassis, dash. This has all Tough One wheels on it, in the back and in the front. So we'll compare some times, see what these two cars, these two here, the GTOs, they run pretty good, but a little harder to control. I don't know why. I just have these two cars run good. Well, we know how that car runs. We'll show you that, and we'll see what kind of times we get and compare them. And but they're all pretty good looking cars, and I really enjoy them all. So see how they run on my Max Trax, and we'll be timing with my phone. Okay, I'll set up the camera and get it going. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. I filmed it once, but my battery ran out, so let's see what we got here. Again, we're going to start with the GTO, red GTO.
Lap 1, 5.92 seconds. Lap 2, 6.02 seconds. Lap 3, 5.69 seconds. Lap 4, 5.52 seconds. Lap 5, 5.64 seconds.
Okay, my fastest time there was 5.5. Now we'll go with the green GTO.
Lap 1, 5.49 seconds. Lap 2, 5.69 seconds. Lap 3, 5.44 seconds. Lap 4, 5.50 seconds. Lap 5, 5.61 seconds.
Okay, my fastest time there was 5.38. Now the black Chevelle. Oh.
Lap 1, 11.20 seconds.
Aye.
Lap 2, 11.27 seconds. Lap 3, 5.72 seconds. Lap 4, 5.37 seconds. Lap 5, 5.24 seconds.
Alright, there I got, fastest time was 5.242, which is better. I had a little struggle there, but in the Camaro. Ugh.
Lap 1, lap 2, lap 3, lap 4, lap 5, 0.50
Every
seconds.
time I crash over there, I gotta redo it because of where I have the timer. Ah. What's going on here?
Lap 1, 5.51 seconds. Lap 2, 5.79 seconds. Lap 3, 5.87 seconds. Lap 4, 5.65 seconds. Lap 5, 5.51 seconds.
Okay, there the fastest time was 5.5. So the Black Chevelle was the fastest. Now we're going to run the TFX on a TFX chassis. The Cheetah on a TFX chassis. Got that mixed up there. And the tires. Alright, see what it does.
Lap 1, 4.21 seconds. Lap 2, 4.38 seconds. Lap 3, 4.26 seconds. Lap 4, 4.20 seconds. Lap 5, 4.32 seconds.
You see the big difference in these cars? I believe this is a 4.5 ohm. So their fastest time was 4.196, so maybe with a little work I can get it under 4 seconds. But there you see the difference in them. I still like the dash. I think these two cars handle the best. I believe the stock tires are pretty good. I almost like them better than the tires that are on these cars. So let me show you those cars again. We'll stop the camera and zoom it down here. The cars are again. I'm gonna kind of line them up here. Let me line them up. Take a better look at them. There's the Cheetah. Nice car. There's a lot there. It's all stock. Tires that came with it. Wheels that came with it. If you've ever seen a TFX, it's a snap-in guide pin. You can snap out the rear axle. It's got a lot of brushes. Their pickups are lower than Let's Travel in some. So, nice little car. And there's the killer bees in it. This is the next. This is the dash stock. Those tires work pretty good. I was pretty happy with that car. No hop-ups on that or anything. And then Chevelle, one of my favorite cars. Looks pretty good. That's stock. Then the GTO with AFX tires, a little wide in the back. That could be some of the issue. Maybe narrow that down. I'm not sure. Get it a little lower to the ground. And then, of course, the red GTO, which has Teflon wheels on it. That sits pretty low. But I think they really run well with the original tires and wheels. Good little cars. Good cars to run. I have 3 more Gen 3s in there to build. Get them running, get some bodies on them. My next video will be either running these Datsun 510s. I see that one's missing a tire in the front. We'll have to get a new tire for that. Those are the 3 on the left. Those are pit kits. This one, number 5, I bought. I'll have, I think, 1 more to run. I got another one to build. We'll run those next, maybe. And then we'll run some Auto World cars. The Camaro on the end. The 62 Chevy, I believe. The GT40. Those are their version of the T-Jet, the Thunderjet G. Yeah, I'm not even sure what it's called. And I believe this is another extraction. I had lights working, but it had lights broke on it, so maybe I'll get G-Bud to fix that for me. And I'll run them up against the TFX and see how they compare to a TFX. They do have traction magnets, so that will make a difference, but should be fun to run those. Run them next. Either that or these. We'll see what we do. That's about it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. And thanks for watching. See you again. Bye.